Hi, have you ever realized how difficult it is for a dyslexic child to read sight words? I am Bala Saraswati, LD Remedial Coach, and today I'm going to tell you something about sight words, which is such a big pain for a dyslexic child. So, as a parent, you may not know what's a sight word. English language has phonics and sight words. Now, those words which can be read out with the help of sounds are called phonic words, and those which are just read as word like THE is a sight word. Now, kids, especially dyslexic, who have a difficulty in reading, have a lot of problem with these sight words, and I'm going to help you today how to guide your child, train your child, teach your child to read sight words, for which I have taken an article from this book. But because book is having too much of write-up, and when we are working with dyslexic children, if there's too much of write-up, they get scared. So how I train a kid and how I want you to do it is I write it or I type it on a piece of paper like this. So I've written a small piece from that book and I'm going to read it out to you first. Okay, so this piece speaks about power is one of the most exciting words in the English language. Politicians love it, and so do car enthusiasts, because it makes our cars so go fast. And driving a fast car is much more fun than sitting in the houses of representatives arguing about the level of farm subsidies. So, where does power come from? It's all about converting energy from one form to another. It's really very simple. Now, this article, this piece has a lot of sight words. I can show you like this. Okay. Now, when you give this piece to a child who's a struggling reader, could be a class 3, class 4, class 5 also, he will get scared of seeing this and say, oh my God, I have to read this. So the child will start making attempt to read, and somewhere when the minute he sees a sight word or a big word, he gets stuck, gets confused and loses interest in reading. So what I have done, I'll just show you that. How I have been training children, helping children, making it easy and fun is I underlined all the sight words like the, of, on, is, at, that, where. All these words I first underlined with one color. Remember, even if you're an artist or so, but don't try all these tricks on children, use one color. So, and if you have decided one color, every time you want the child to practice a sight word, stick to that color, whichever color. Like here I have used orange. So now I want the child to read this whole article, but first I want him to read only and only the sight words. So when I give this sheet, I ask the child to read each of these words: is, of, the, in, on, it, and like this, all of them. So, do, go fast. I can just zoom it and close it, show it to you. Close all these words. Now this particular piece of write-up has 71 words, of which 30 are sight words. Imagine, sight words are so difficult for children, and of that almost 50% is sight words. So how important it is for these kids. Once they read this comfortably, they have achieved 50% success, which is a huge success for a dyslexic child. Whereas when you just give an article like this and ask the child to read, he reads, gets stuck somewhere here, and then doesn't progress at all. And when a child doesn't progress, he feels dejected, the teacher is angry. As a parent, you are very angry or upset. You keep pushing the child and you don't know what to do. So your intention of doing an activity, you should be very clear. Today my intention is sight words, so I focus on sight word. Don't push him to read all this. Once he have finished reading only sight words, then you can move on to the other words gradually. And I have seen so much of success in children because they are scoring so high instead of starting here and getting stuck somewhere else. Did you like this? You can share this video with your friends. You can help people to show this technique, and also share your comments below. And yes, don't forget to click the link, because you will get many more such tips by clicking the link and getting ideas how to help dyslexic children. Bala Saraswati here, signing off once again. Bye-bye.